Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Michelle, aka Michi Makes Up, and I love all things hair care, skincare, beauty, makeup, you name it, I love it. And if you love that too, make sure you guys do hit the red subscribe button down below as well as the notification bell so that way you guys never miss out on any of my new videos. And without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So you already know what time it is. If you guys have been a part of my little family here on YouTube, that is almost to 1,000 subscribers, and I can't believe that we're finally getting there. I'm just in shock, honestly. I'm so grateful for each and every single one of you guys. But if you guys don't already know, it is time for our Boxycharm unboxing of the month. So every single month, I like to unbox my Boxycharm box for you guys on this channel and show you guys how I use the products and also give the box a rating. This month's theme is Boxycharm Sweet Treats, which this is what the little insert card looks like right here. And the items that we got in this month's box, I don't know if I really feel like really go with the theme, but I guess. So if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly beauty subscription that retails for $25 a month, and it is worth way over that. Usually it's worth at least $100, sometimes even more. I think this month's box is $161 in products for $25 a month. It is such a great way to build up your makeup collection, your skincare collection, or just to try out new products that you probably never would. I will tell you that I save so much more money ever since I've gotten my Boxycharm box. They always will like include some kind of new like makeup line or makeup brand, or even sometimes like exclusive products that are just for Boxycharm. So the way that it works is they have 3 different subscription boxes that you can get. Your base box, which is the box that I am talking about right now, so that one retails for $25. You get 5 full-size, yes, you heard me, full-size items for $25, and they have such great brands, which you guys will see some of the luxurious brands that we're getting in this box. Then they have a premium box that you can get every single month as well, in addition to your base box, which this box has a little more luxurious items in there. It's gonna retail for $35 a month, and it brings 6, I don't know why I couldn't figure that out, 6 full-size items. Again, they have very, very luxurious brands in there. And then every 3 months, you can also upgrade your base box to a luxe box, which that box is gonna be $50 every 3 months. So March, June, September, and December are gonna be the 4 months of the year that you would get an upcharge of $25 additional to your base box. So you won't get the base box, but you will get some items that would have come in the base box, as well as a few other items that won't come in a base box. If you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, you guys can check out my link down below. Jumping right into the box, first item is this cleanser right here. This is a body wash from Terra de Mars. This is all in like French or something. I don't really know. It is the Reddington Body Cleanser. It's an organic certified aromatic soft cleanser that's suitable for all skin types. It's infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee and rosemary extracts, infusion with verbena oil. Together, they tone, purify, and protect the skin with aloe vera that nourishes and softens it. It leaves a clean, refreshed, and toned skin without drying it. So I've tried this a few times. It smells really nice. It smells luxurious, honestly. It just smells like a bougie hotel. But the coffee extracts have antioxidants. The verbena helps to tone, and the aloe vera moisturizes. So this guy right here does retail for $22. So it's not quite the price of the box, but almost the price of the box. And I know you're looking at this like $22 for a body wash. Like, this thing here is really, really concentrated, so a little bit goes such a long way. So if you use a loofah, it'll last you a while. The second item that we got is this item right here. This is the Touch and Soul Icy Sherbet Primer. So I am super excited about this because I love Touch and Soul. I love their primers. I think I've gotten quite a few of them from Boxycharm. I want to say that they might sell this at Ulta, but this guy here does retail for $32. It's going to help to lock your look in place and keep your skin feeling cool and refreshed. It's a gel primer that has an instant cooling effect once applied, and it hydrates and preps the skin for makeup. It is silicone-free with water capturing technology that locks in moisture and leaves your skin feeling silky smooth. So we're going to go ahead and try it. I haven't tried it on my face, but I have tried it on the back of my hand and it feels incredible. This is what it looks like right here. So it looks really, really cool. It has like a soft rose smell to it. And I'm excited because I am always looking for a good silicone-free primer that's gonna moisturize my skin and help my makeup wear well. Because I feel like silicone primers just make your makeup move around. So that's what it looks like right there. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on my face. Oh my gosh, literally like it wakens up your skin. I literally want to just put this on my face every single morning just to like have that fresh feel. That is what our skin is looking like. Definitely it feels so cooling. Like I wish you guys could feel what I'm feeling. Like it literally just feels like I rubbed ice all over my face. Probably not the best for today because it is 38 degrees outside, but on a hot summer day, this just feels like it would be amazing. And it doesn't feel like really sticky either. Like it's the right amount of sticky. The next item is this Eloise Get Gleaming Body Glow Illuminator. So this is what it looks like right here. I'm gonna go ahead and pump some on the back of my hand. So this retails for $38. So both of those items were more than the box. It's a non-sticky lightweight luminizer that can be applied on areas of the face and body. See, I said you could put it on the face. I totally think so. For a dazzling buildable glow. Transfer-proof formula is filled with ultra sparkly reflex that radiates on your skin. So this is what it looks like right here on the back of my hand. It's swatched. This is in the shade Champagne Rich. Perfect for summertime. You can mix it in with like your body lotion. It just gives you that nice glow. It has like a weird, like it almost does feel like silicone-y. Like it has a weird slip to it. But you guys can see it blended out right there on the back of my hand. It definitely makes me look like a Cullen. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my face and see what happens. I think it would be nice to like put on kind of like as a base. I put a little bit of the Illuminator on this side of my face, and like, can we talk about that glow though? Like literally look at this side compared to this side. Like I think this would just look so pretty under makeup. And we have probably the product that I'm most excited about, and this is an eyeshadow palette from Natasha Denona. Yes, Natasha Denona is in our Boxycharm box. This is our base box too, not even our luxe box. This guy here retails for $48. I think we've had a Natasha Denona palette before a couple months ago, but this one is like a cool tone palette. I think this would be gorgeous for a smoky eye. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these shades on the back of my hand or on my wrist here. So that is them swatched on the back of my hand there. Can you guys see that? I did horrible on swatching. You guys can kind of see the gist of it. I think this is just going to be such a gorgeous palette. This shade right here, I think this is called Glam Green, is definitely that. It's like a beautiful, like, taupey green color. It's so pretty. I can't wait to put that on my eyes. And then the last product that we got is this Laura Geller lipstick. This retails for $21. Now, this is an interesting lipstick. Let's just talk about this shade here. First of all, like, I don't know if I would ever wear this on my lips. I'm gonna put it on my lips right now. I don't have my makeup on, obviously. I think it would look good with like the right makeup look, but like for an everyday look, I don't feel like anyone would really put this on their lips. But whatever, this is in the shade Broadway Glitz. Just let's look at it on my lips. Like, this is a fun lipstick that I think would be cool for like a fun makeup look. Like, I could see myself doing like an outer space makeup look. It's pigmented. But I don't think I would ever actually wear this lipstick in real life. That's what it looks like. Very interesting. I think I actually might put this on my eyeballs because why not? What do you guys think? Would you guys wear this lipstick? Let me know. And definitely I will say that it has that shape of the bullet. I feel like does allow for that single swipe application, which is what it says. But again, this is not something I would wear personally. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my face makeup real quick, and then I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit so that we can do our eyes, and then I'll let you know my final thoughts on the box. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I create, then continue watching. So we're starting off with the Natasha Denona palette, and I'm going to go ahead and take that mid-tone shade and just apply it into my crease, and I'm going to build that up until I get the intensity that I want to. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and take a smaller brush and take a little bit of a darker shade of a brown and just apply that on the outer corner of our eye. and just start blending that up really softly and slowly and building up the intensity too. I like using the flat side of the brush too to kind of lay down the color first, and then using the tip of the brush to go ahead and blend out all of the edges. Then I'm going to take the darkest color with a pointed blended brush, and I'm going to kind of angle this in, kind of doing the outer V, but just a little bit closer inwards, so that I just have depth closer into the eye versus on the outer corner completely on the eye. I feel like this is just going to make it blend a lot easier. So we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye. And you guys can see that I'm just taking my time with it, building it up really nice and slowly. Then I'm going to go ahead and take that lipstick color and I'm going to use that as an eyeshadow topper. So I just went ahead and applied that right onto my eyelid from the tube. And I actually was impressed with how it looked. Taking some of that shimmery taupey green color and putting that right on top. And I just feel like this really made it pop, really made it stand out, and really brought out the green tones in this eyeshadow. It's absolutely gorgeous. If you can see it in person, the way that it reflects, I just loved it so much. Then I took a little bit of that lighter shade and put that kind of in the inner like part of my eye, kind of in the inner crease, I guess, of the eye, and putting that on the lower lash line too. This is just going to make the eyes pop. Then taking a little bit of my magnetic Glamnetic lashes liner, and I'm just going to go ahead and line my eyes with it, and then taking the lashes, and after that glue is dry, I'm going to go ahead and apply the lashes, which I do like these magnetic lashes because they have a little anchor, which I will show you guys me applying it in a second. But here I'm just putting it in place, and plus the glue is a lot nicer, so I feel like it just is sturdier. So here I'm applying the anchors right underneath, so it's little tiny lashes that you just kind of anchor in there, and that's it. Alrighty, so the makeup look is complete. I am wearing the Glamnetic lashes in the style VIP. I have talked about how much I hate magnetic lashes, but honestly, once I've tried these, they're such a game changer. They have little like lash anchors where you put it underneath the lashes to kind of help the lashes stay in place. Because the issue I was always having was that the corners would always lift. So with wearing the anchors, it really helps it to just like stay in place all day. And I always liked how convenient and easy magnetic lashes were. I just hated the fact that they would not stay in place, like they would always lift. Also, quick little mention too, on my lips, I'm obsessed with this lip combo I have on right now. This is the Pharmacy liquid lipstick in the shade 03, which my friend Lisa sells Pharmacy. So if you guys are interested in trying it out, it's such a great lip formula. I feel like it doesn't flake at all, and it's super inexpensive as well. I think it was like $10 or $11 or something like that, and they have so many shades. So I'll link her store down below too if you guys want to check her out and support her. She is such an incredible person, super nice, so funny. Seriously, like she's hilarious. She's an amazing cook, amazing mom, amazing friend, amazing wife. So anyways, just wanted to give her a little shout out. And if you guys want to support her business, definitely check her out. And then on top of that, I used Stone lip gloss from Maybelline, which I just felt like was a really good shade because it is kind of like a nude, a cool tone nude. And I think that really goes with the makeup look that we have going on. For the eyeshadow palette, I really like it a lot. Again, I feel like this is going to be a smoky eye lover's dream. Like it just gave us a nice, beautiful, smoky, sultry eye. And I feel like these are those type of cool tones that look good on anybody because they have a little bit of warmth to it, especially this shade right here in the middle, which is called Satin Silk. I know I swatched it earlier, but it is just stunning. I think Jaclyn Hill has an eyeshadow similar to this. It was called Smoky But Natural. That's kind of what this vibe is. It's like that smoky but natural type of a look. And then I went ahead and put the lipstick on as an eyeshadow base. I don't know if you can really see the blue like glitters that are kind of like seeping through. I just feel like it just added a little more dimension to the look. And again, I wasn't going to wear this on my lips. Not, at least not with this look. I would have done it with maybe a different kind of look, but I really like how this looked on the eyes. And honestly, it's really comfortable too. Like you guys can kind of see it here. It looks multi-dimensional. I just feel like it looks really pretty. Another honorable mention, of course, you guys already know I have on my Seint 3D foundation on my face. That is what is giving me that sculpted look and that beautiful glow. I'm gonna give this box a 4.5 out of 5. Only reason why, again, I would never wear this lip color on my lips, but I feel like, you know, if you can use it for other areas, why not? I don't know, I kind of feel like this color was like kind of random. It didn't really go with the box. I'm not trying to throw any shade, But I just feel like when you think of like sweet treats, I mean, I guess like the glitter kind of makes you think sweet treats, but other than that, it's like everything else in the box I think was great. Again, it is $25 a month. I feel like it's such a great deal. You get to try out so many amazing new products as well. If you guys already have Boxycharm, let me know what items you guys got in your month's box and which one was your favorite. So that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.